Hey Gemini, so we'll be doing a collective reading for you. It's supposed to be sunny, but it's like windy and looks like it might rain, so hopefully it doesn't downpour on us. Hey Gemini, so yeah, it'll just be a general reading, past, present, future. Let's see what's going on. Gemini collective. Shows what we need to see. Damn, Gemini. In your recent past, you had the Wheel of Fortune, the World, the Four of Swords. Let's see what's in your present. That's crazy. Two of the biggest major arcanas right off the bat. Damn. Hey Spirit, what's going on in Gemini's present? What's going on in Gemini's present? Queen of Swords. Six of Cups. Justice. Shit, Gemini. My space is pretty small here, but I'll try to do the future for you right now. Hey Spirit, what can you show us for Gemini's future? Also outcomes. Also outcomes for Gemini. The Star. Ten of Pentacles, big money. And the Moon. Damn, Gemini, what the fuck's going on here? Your choice, the Wheel of Fortune. This is karma. This is divine intervention for Gemini. What's this Wheel of Fortune for Gemini? Is it good karma, bad karma? Like, you got all the majors out here, fuck. Like, big boys at the majors. Three of Wands, the Hermit, Seven of Cups. So it looks like you had a lot of confusion with the Seven of Cups there, Gemini. Three of Wands, you were waiting for something. Maybe you were making someone wait. With the Hermit, you had to go within, look for some truths, do some healing. What's the World? What's this completion of a cycle? When cycles end, new ones begin. Could mean maybe that you're traveling, but we'll see, Why is the World here for Gemini? Why is the World here for Gemini? Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. So you're a wounded warrior, very exhausted. You want to have a new beginning and passion. And it's something that you've been working on for quite some time. Gemini, the Four of Swords. Why is Gemini resting? Why is he rejuvenating? Could also mean that maybe you metaphorically stab yourself in the back with that extra sword on this. The Seven of Cups is delusion, like delusions. And maybe that's why you had to go to hermit mode. And then you're reflecting on the seeds you planted. And one of those seeds you want to have a passionate beginning with. But you've just been through the ringer. What's that at once? Show me the Four of Swords for Gemini. Ten of Wands. Oh my god, all these burdens. Five of Swords, self-sabotage, internal conflict, the Hangman. You're required to go and take a pause and try to look at the situation from a different perspective. I wonder if you did it. I'm sure justice will tell us. Self-sabotage, eh? Show me this Queen of Swords. Did you have to cut someone off, Gemini? Did they have to cut you off? Or were you harsh with your words? Why is Queen of Swords in the present here for Gemini? Why is Queen of Swords here in the present for Gemini? King of Cups, Five of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So, I think you had a decision here to make with the Queen of Swords. There was a King of Pentacles energy around you and a King of Cups energy around you. Five of Pentacles is someone who was left feeling abandoned, left out in the cold. Did you make the right pick, Gemini? Where are these connections? Doesn't say anything. If you like them or not, right? Oh, six, in the center it's Six of Cups, so this is like a past life. Past life soulmate, or it could be kids. The sun came out there. What else do you want to show me for the Six of Cups, Spirit? What else do you want to show me for the Six of Cups for a Gemini? Two of Pentacles, didn't know what option to choose. Queen of Cups. So it looks like you chose the King of Cups there. You chose having a happy emotional connection instead of just that 3D kind of money kind of relationship. Okay, show me justice. Why is justice here? Did Gemini balance out the scales here, Spirit? Did we choose the right one? Or should you have chosen the King of Cups or the King of Cups? Whoever you chose, one of them did bring you the ultimate happiness with the sun. Justice, oh, someone walked away. I think you chose the wrong one, Gemini. Shit. Three of Cups, third party, Two of Cups. Oh, you put a soulmate into a third party, or they you? Switch the rules as a 5. Damn. He brought you fucking happiness. Look at that sun. Why is the star here? What is Gemini's wishes, hopes, dreams, everything you could ever want? What is the star? What is Gemini's star? Six of Swords. Ooh, two cards about moving away. Ace of Pentacles. New opportunity that was provided to you. Judgment. think judgment might be in their boat. Seven of Wands tried to show. So yeah, I think it's them, and they're going to be defensive and guarded. Can you show me the Ten of Pentacles? Why is Ten of Pentacles here? In the future outcomes for Gemini? Show me the Ten of Pentacles. Is this what that person would have made with Gemini? Or what is this? Five of Cups, sadness, sorrow, regret. Nine of Cups, emotional wish fulfillment. And King of Swords. And the Queen of Swords is how it all started. Damn. You guys have duality. Holy shit. Yeah, you guys are both sad. Let's see this moon. You have fears of the unknown. You're just not seeing. What are you hiding under the moon, Gemini? What is Gemini hiding under his moon? Oh, the Empress. Damn, Gemini. Page of Swords. Immature communication. Maybe some spying. Six of Pentacles. Reciprocity, equal give and take. Damn. Knight of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. Page of Cups, you want to apologize. Temperance, healing. Five of Wands, a conflict. Eight of Swords. Ace of Cups. Ten of Cups. The High Priestess. Damn, this Empress was freaking... she was the fucking High Priest. And the Empress. Oh boy, oh boy. Spirit, do you have any advice for Gemini? Do you have any advice for Gemini here? Do you have any advice for Gemini? Any advice for Gemini? Fucking twin flame. Damn it. Damn it, Gemini. Magician manifested it. Four Cups. Yeah, it's fucking sadness on both ends. Damn. How's that advice, Spirit? How's that advice? Anything else? Any advice, Spirit? Any advice for Gemini? High Priestess. Ten of Cups. Well, Gemini. Yeah, heartbreaking. Damn. Well, at least if you didn't know Gemini, this just gives you a confirmation of what's gonna go down. Okay, that's all I got for you. Peace.